Morning folks, welcome back to the channel.
Morning.
And welcome to Linnanmaki here in Helsinki. Yeah, so we are at the entranceway waiting for them to open the gates to the park.
Too.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty cool actually. I'll give you a little show of it. We got cover there, gates there. Sign behind us. Sketchy looking sky loop over there.
Ukko, named for the Finnish god of thunder, but a literal translation to English of Ukko is old man.
Old man. Okay, so old man the ride.
But that's also the name of their god of thunder, so they're Thor.
So yeah, we'll grab our tickets in a bit. I think it's like 47 euros whether you buy it online or offline. So
same price, so we wait until we get here.
Just in case we got rained out, because forecast again is a bit changeable for today, but fingers crossed. It's looking decent
right
at the
now,
moment.
We're also under blast. So.
We are. So yeah, we'll get inside the park and yeah, probably going to be Taiga first.
It's going to be Taiga time right away, I think.
This is one of the most anticipated rides on the trip for sure.
Definitely.
Wanted to get on this one for a long time, so yeah, it looks decent. You can see it from outside the park. You can walk down by it. So we've already done that, and yeah, it's much more impressive here than it is in the pictures,
kind of on the side of the hill.
Isn't it? Yeah.
It's got some terrain.
Well, I knew it was on the hill, but it just you don't get the appreciation of the elevation change. Actually, I don't think when you see the pictures. So
yeah, the bottom of that turn in the first half to the top hat, you know, those come up quite quickly. So.
Indeed. So yeah, really looking forward to getting on this one. So yeah, once we get inside, we'll let you know how it goes.
Yeah.
Linnanmaki. So we're inside the park.
Oh, the tickets are right by Taiga.
Yeah, and it turns out that you actually just get your tickets once you're inside the park. So it seems if you're not riding rides, you wouldn't actually need a ticket to be in it. So
just come in and walk about.
Yeah, true city park style. So that's pretty cool. Entrance to Taiga's not open yet, so I think it's half hour till the ride's open, isn't it? Another half hour till the ride's open. So we're gonna get our tickets now, and yeah, probably just have a little wander about, but then probably actually just wait outside Taiga, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is not what you normally see in a restroom in a theme park, I tell you.
This is where all the pigs hang out.
No, I'm not actually going to film you pissing, Danny, but this is pretty impressive, to be fair. Okay, so 2 rides in on Taiga.
So far,
so good.
this ride's really fast.
It is. It's
really fast and forceful.
It's not even warm yet, and
no,
it seems to be flying. So
on the first train out, and it took me by surprise. It took me by great surprise.
It's nuts. It already seems pretty nuts. So yeah, 2 rides in. We're gonna come back to you in a bit. We're gonna go get the front row.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Kiitos. Yeah, I think the line's not even big either, so we're going to jump in the front. More thoughts to come, but initial impressions?
Very good.
Fucking legit. good start to the day. 5 rides in like 40 minutes on Taiga. A couple of front rows, 3 back rows. That is fucking legit about that ride. Danny?
Woo boy!
Yeah.
This is a special ride.
It really is. You can feel the progression from something like Taron, and how this is like, it definitely is the precursor to like Velocicoaster. You can feel Velocicoaster in it too.
Oh, it's got an awful lot of Velocicoaster in it. Yes.
It's special. It's a special
Very
ride.
special ride.
But we have now got business to do.
Yes,
There's 7 other credits to get here, I think.
Yes,
So...
we got 7 credits, a couple dark rides, and maybe a drop tower or 2.
Right, should we do the Zax bit?
Yeah, let's get Kirnu out of the way, which is finished for Churn, which is probably we'll do some of.
Yeah, so, well, now's as good a time as any.
On we go.
Is this the entrance?
Both.
Oh, really? Oh, okay, yeah.
Luke, shall we go on this side so we can see Taiga?
Yeah. Hello, Taiga. Right, so we just had a ride on Kirnu, which was the Zax spin.
It was good fun.
It wasn't too bad. It was really short, to be honest.
No Green Lantern vibes here.
No, well, I haven't ridden that, but yeah, from the sounds of it, that one runs a bit better. It is a smaller one, mind you, so there's not much chance for it to beat you up. So we'll see when we get to Grona later on the trip what the big one's like, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, for now, I think this is going to be your first Mara Sky Loop too, isn't it, Danny? So this is going to be new for both of us.
New experience for both of us.
And it's Uko. Now these things are fucking weird. They got the chain lift that goes up and then takes you beyond the vertical. So you may have seen people get stuck on these vertical lifts before.
God, I hope not.
Let's keep the fingers crossed then, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Right, so what was it called again? Uko.
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 The Finnish god of thunder, or in a more literal translation, old man.
You're just full of knowledge, aren't you, Danny?
I did research. I couldn't think of anything else to say while we were going up and hanging upside down than this is weird. So it was just
this is weird.
Me
this
like,
is
oh,
weird.
this is weird. Oh, this is weird. Oh, this is weird. And it is. It's weird.
He's not wrong. It's fucking weird.
But it wasn't unpleasant. Like it was fun.
I didn't like being in that upside down bit off the lift. It feels a bit uneasy, but to be honest, I suppose that's kind of a good thing, right? It takes a lot to make a Thuzi feel uneasy, right?
Well, yeah, that's true. And technically, it does have a lot of airtime.
Yeah.
Very, very strange.
It's a bizarre ride.
I was gonna call it a strange little ride, but it's not all that little. It's
pretty fucking big.
And you get quite a lot of speed coming back through. So.
Yeah, I think that's probably a one and done, to be honest. But
probably a one
glad
and
to
done.
have done it. Glad to have done it.
And we're not stuck on it, so that is good as well.
I'm actually sweating a little bit.
I am too. Yeah.
So yeah, Uko, done.
Not bad, yeah. It's fun to watch him because he'll lean forward on the drop and then he'll lean back going up. Vuoristrata.
Thank you, Danny, because I can't say that.
You're welcome.
That word there, if you can see it through the rain, because as you can tell,
Coming down.
it's coming down a little bit.
Quite a bit.
Yeah.
Finish for roller coaster.
Finish for wet as fuck. I was looking at the wrong bit.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, I was looking at the first drop, damn it. So we're taking cover for a few moments. There's an indoor coaster as well, isn't there? So
That seems to be the next
I
logical
think
choice.
the logical choice is indoor coaster and any dark rides that we might be wanting to hear,
I
right?
think so, yeah, because there's a couple over here.
Aren't you glad we rode Taiga 5 times at the start of the day now as well, looking at this?
If we get rain the rest of the day, we've got some good Taiga rides to start the day on anyways.
Yeah. Right, so we've done a couple more coasters since the last check-in. We got the indoor Zero coaster here, which actually got VR on it. That was pretty cool.
There was a space cow flying around.
There
That
was.
kind of cool.
It's pretty damn awesome. And then we rode this spinning coaster there, which is Salama. That was pretty good too. So, we've done a few things since last time I checked in, actually.
Yeah, your battery died.
One of which being my GoPro battery dying and me not being able to find the other one. I'm hoping it's in the hotel room, but we've switched to the mobile, so we'll make do. Hopefully this isn't too bad. It's going to be a bit shakier though, so we'll see how we get by.
Yeah.
But yeah, just had another re-ride on
Vuoristrata.
the Woody. It's pretty damn good actually. That's good fun. It's not extreme or anything, but there's a couple of little moments
But they're
of
not meant to
airtime.
be, right?
No,
I mean,
that's
kind
it.
of the deal.
It's a fun ride. A fun little ride.
A fun little ride.
Fun
It's
little ride.
very, very cool. And there are a couple good spots of yeet.
There are. We've got ourselves in a dead end here. We've actually smashed out everything, haven't we, Danny? So we've done all the coasters, done one of the dark rides. We've got another dark ride we want to do still. We've done...
What the heck is going on in here?
No, it's like Hall of Mirrors. Oh. That's weird.
Oh, that's a normal one for me.
But yeah, it's going pretty well today, to be honest. Again, the weather seems to have cleared again for us.
Quite a quirky little place, but really, really fun.
It really is. We had some nice lunch as well. We stopped in the Italian restaurant, had some pasta.
Oh yeah,
pretty good.
Buffalo chicken with fresh mozzarella cheese ball for me, and you had the
Had the bolognese. Pretty standard bolognese, but it was tasty. It was
Yeah,
good.
very good.
So yeah. Yeah, what's that?
Now
Oh yeah, that's
we're
the...
headed to the Taika Circus, which is their circus-themed dark ride.
Okay, well, let's give it a go then,
Yeah, let's give it a try.
Right, so that was Taika Circus. Weird clown dark ride, and yeah, not a whole lot to it, quite a few scenes.
Honestly, that's like exactly what I look for out of my European dark ride. They're so quirky and weird and just like kind of nutty.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what that one
Like I
was.
said, there wasn't a whole lot going on. It's not like it's a shooter or anything. It is literally just the sort of scenes, but yeah, some funny stuff going on in there.
Yeah.
Right, so we've taken a break from riding coasters for a little bit. Plenty of rides on, what are we up to, 12 rides on Taiga
12,
now?
yeah, I think 12, which isn't enough yet.
It's enough to know. But
It's enough to know and not enough.
but it's not enough yet, so, but still, a good few hours left. But in the meantime,
We get some wonderful
dessert
cake.
time.
Yes.
So we have got... What's that? What did they say was in it?
Chocolate strawberry.
Fairly simple, but it looks good. And I've gone full on chocolate, so... We're both pretty happy about that.
Yes, we are.
Förbered livs mest hisnande flygtur. You're about to fly off, carried by the wings of Taiga, and glide over 4 other rides. Please move all loose items in the storage box so that they do not fall on anyone below. Brace yourself for the ride of your life.
Right, so we are coming to the end of the day here at Linnanmäki.
Yeah.
What did we max out on? 18, I think, on Taiga
18
there.
on Taiga, 5 on Vuoristrada.
3 on the spinning coaster.
3 on Salama.
Salama. Yeah, that was good too. Forget the other coasters.
Yeah.
Forget talking about that, right? Taiga.
Taiga.
Tell you, I was not ready for that. I was not expecting it to be that good.
I wasn't ready for it at 11 a.m. and it's 9 o'clock p.m. 10 hours later. I'm still not ready.
This is a bit shaky. Sorry about the camera work, guys. Like I say, GoPro went, so we're having to make do.
I've said this about very few rides over the years. It really feels like one of those rides is just a perfect coaster in the context of what it's meant to be.
There really isn't a lot you would... I mean, I don't think there's anything you'd change about that, really. It's just...
No.
Yeah. It's Velocicoaster-esque, and if you know how good that ride is, this is...
It's almost like Velocicoaster meets Maverick in some ways. Like...
It's got more force than Velocicoaster.
Yeah, it does. It does. I would agree with that.
I think it's a better layout than Velocicoaster.
Layout-wise, I think there's more to it.
It just doesn't quite have the rest of what Velocicoaster does. But it depends what you want in a coaster,
It
right?
doesn't have the theme on top of it, maybe, but just pure roller coaster. I think it's probably the better ride.
I think that's probably a good place to leave it, guys. On that bombshell, right?
Let's let them ponder that one, shall we?
Yeah. So if you enjoyed the vlog, guys, remember to leave a comment down below. Like, share, subscribe. All that usual good fun stuff. And until next time, guys, from Linnanmaki, enjoy the ride.
Taiga!
Fuck yeah.